Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we will learn a real-life hotel check-in English conversation.
This lesson is very useful for travelers, students, and beginners who want to speak English confidently. Listen carefully and repeat after each sentence. Let's start.
Good evening. Welcome to Grand Palace Hotel.
Good evening.
How may I help you?
I would like to check in.
Certainly. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Maya Sharma.
Thank you. Let me check your booking.
Sure.
Yes, Miss Maya. We have your reservation for 3 nights.
That's right.
May I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Could you please confirm your phone number?
Yes, my number is 9876543210.
Thank you.
No problem.
Would you like a smoking or non-smoking room?
A non-smoking room, please.
Certainly.
Thank you.
Would you prefer a room with a city view?
Yes, that would be nice.
Great. We have one available.
Perfect.
How would you like to pay for your stay?
I will pay by credit card.
Please insert your card.
Okay.
Your payment has been approved.
Great.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Does the hotel provide free Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel.
That's great.
The Wi-Fi password is written on your room card holder.
Thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
What time is breakfast served?
From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Wonderful.
The restaurant is on the first floor.
Thank you for the information.
Your room number is 608.
Okay.
Your room will be the 3rd door on the left.
Thank you.
Here is your key card.
Thanks. Okay.
Take the elevator to the 6th floor.
All right.
Turn right after leaving the elevator.
Can I have an extra pillow?
Certainly.
Thank you.
We will send it to your room shortly.
That's very kind.
Is there anything else you need?
Can I get a wake-up call tomorrow morning?
Of course.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great job! Now you know how to check into a hotel in English. Practice these conversations regularly to improve your English speaking skills.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next English lesson.